These two confuse a lot of people. This is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, while this is CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Same brand, same blue label, and same promises. But depending upon your skin type, choosing the wrong one can leave your skin feel drying, tight, not moisturized, or greasy. Suppose if you buy wrong product just because it's popular and it does not suit your skin type, तो वो फायदे की बजाय नुकसान कर सकता है. That is why we're breaking down which one is helpful for you, CeraVe Moisturizer or CeraVe Lotion. Let's go. Things that they both have in common is number one, both of them are dermatologist approved. Second, both of them are fragrance free. Third, both of them are made for sensitive skin types. Also, since they're obviously from the same brand, the formulation is almost similar, only there's major difference in texture and the concentration. दोनों में ही ceramides हैं, which is great for repairing your skin barrier. They both have hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydration. And then they both are non-comedogenic, which means they will not clog your pores or they will not break you out. So let's talk about CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion first. This one, as the name says, has a lotion type consistency, liquid है ये, और इसको अपनी बॉडी और फेस आप दोनों पे ही यूज कर सकते हो. काफी लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला है, स्किन में जल्दी अब्सॉर्ब हो जाता है एंड इट फील्स ऑलमोस्ट इनविजिबल ऑन द स्किन. So who can actually use it? As per the brand, it says it's for very dry to dry skin type. But I would still say people with oily combination and anybody who doesn't like sticky moisturizer, heavy wala feeling, they can easily go for this particular moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. It's a great moisturizer if you want to wear it under sunscreen or makeup. And now the CeraVe cream. The texture, as you see, it's very buttery, it's thick, quite rich, proper cream wala moisturizer. Again, the brand says this is for dry to very dry skin type, so you can go for that. Or in the winter weather you want to switch to extra moisturization, आपकी स्किन को ज़्यादा थोड़ी ड्राइनेस हटाने वाली प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए, then you can use this cream. और at night in your night time routine after retinol और heavy exfoliation के बाद आप ये वाला cream from CeraVe आराम से use कर सकते हो. Just have a look at both of them side to side. So this side I'm applying cream and this side is the lotion. As you can see, the lotion absorbs quite faster, leaving no shine, so it's very lightweight. While on the cream side, you can see it takes a little longer to absorb, but it seals in everything quite nicely. Talking about the price of these two products, it's different. मुझे लगा नहीं था इतना different होगा, but still, since this has higher concentration of occlusive ingredients, ये थोड़ा सा महंगा है as compared to this one. Now, cream का price है 8.6 rupees for per ml, while the lotion costs you 5.9 rupees per ml. So 2 रुपए per ml का almost difference है, 2 या 2.5 कह लो. So which one is better, this cream or this lotion? So depending upon which weather are you in, आपकी skin पे कैसा texture आपको पसंद है और आपकी skin type कैसी है, you can take the final call. जनरल ब्रैकेट अगर मैं बताऊं तो अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली टू नॉर्मल और हल्की सी ड्राई है, इवन इन द विंटर सीजन, गो फॉर द लोशन. बट इफ यू समवन हु हैज वेरी ड्राई स्किन और एकदम खिंची फ्लेकी टाइट स्किन है, यू कैन गो फॉर द क्रीम. इट कैन सील एवरीथिंग इन वेरी नाइसली. बिकॉज मुझे ये लोशनी टेक्सचर पसंद है. आई डू नॉट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ क्रीम वाला टेक्सचर ऑन माई स्किन, सो आई प्रेफर दिस. मैंने दोनों ही यूज करे हैं, बट इफ यू आस्क मी कि मैं किसको दोबारा खरीदूंगी, इट्स गोइंग टू बी दिस, द लोशन. Definitely. And this is my personal choice. So let me know in the comment section below which one do you prefer, the cream or the lotion, and we'll see who wins. Alright guys, this is what we have for today's video. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, bye.